ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Mini Electric Concept.
We're here today with the unveiling of the Mini Electric concept car, which is Mini's very first full electric vehicle. It's exciting to have electrification brought into the Mini product portfolio. We launched originally with our PHEV in our Cooper SE Countryman All-4 variant, and this is the first time that we will see a fully electric, battery electric iteration of the Mini. Slated for production in November of 2019, we will see the model come throughout North America early in 2020.